Hello viewers, welcome back. Today we are going to learn CBC Class 9th Maths, Chapter 6, Lines and Angles, Exercise 6.1. Question number 1. In figure 6.13, lines AB and CD intersect at O. If angle AOC plus angle BOE equal to 70 degree and angle BOD equal to 40 degree, find angle BOE and reflex angle COE. Here given angle AOC plus angle BOE equal to 70 degree and angle BOD equal to 40 degree. To find angle BOE and reflex angle COE. This ray OE is standing on line AB. So angle AOE plus angle BOE equal to 180 degree because linear pair of angles. Now this angle AOE we can write sum of angle AOC and angle COE. So angle AOC plus angle COE plus angle BOE equal to 180 degree. Now already we know that angle AOC plus angle BOE is 70 degree. So this angle AOC plus this angle BOE we can write 70 degree plus angle COE equal to 180 degree. Now this plus 70 becomes that side mean minus 70. So angle COE equal to 180 degree minus 70 degree. So do the subtraction here. We will get angle COE equal to 110 degree. Now we need to find reflex angle COE. So therefore reflex angle COE equal to 360 degree minus angle COE. Here 360 degree minus angle COE, here 110. So substitute 110 here. 360 minus 110, we will get 250. Therefore, reflex angle COE equal to 250 degree. Next, we need to find angle BOE. Now, this is consider equation 1. Here, line AB and CD intersecting each other. So, here vertically opposite angle, angle AOC and angle BOD. Therefore, so angle AOC equal to angle BOD because vertically opposite angles. Here given angle BOD equal to 40 degree. So as well as angle AOC equal to 40 degree because given. From equation 1, here angle AOC plus angle COE plus angle BOE equal to 180 degree. So we can write the same here. Angle AOC plus angle COE plus angle BOE equal to 180 degree. Here angle AOC value 40 degree plus angle COE value 110 degree plus angle BOE equal to 180 degree. Now this 110 plus 40 we will get 150. So 150 degree plus angle BOE equal to 180 degree. Therefore angle BOE equal to 180 degree. This plus 150 degree becomes that side mean minus 150 degree. Therefore angle BOE equal to 180 minus 150 we will get 30 degree. Therefore reflex angle COE equal to 250 degree and angle BOE equal to 30 degree. That's all for the first question. Now move on to the next one. Question number 2. In figure 6.14, lines XY and MN intersect at O. If angle POY equal to 90 degree and A is to B equal to 2 is to 3, find C. Here given angle POY equal to 90 degree and A is to B equal to 2 is to 3. Now we need to find, so to find C. Here ray OP stand on XY, so angle XOP plus angle POY equal to 180 degree because linear pair of angles. This angle XOP we can write sum of angle XOM and angle MOP. So angle XOM plus angle MOP plus angle POY equal to 180 degree. Here angle XOM B, here angle MOP A. So B plus A plus angle POY equal to 180 degree. B plus A plus 90 degree equal to 180 degree. So B plus A equal to 180 degree. This plus 90 degree becomes that side mean minus 90 degree. So we will get B plus A equal to 90 degree. Here given A is to B equal to 2 is to 3. So A is to B equal to 2 is to 3. It can be written as A by B equal to 2 by 3. Now A equal to 2B divide 3 because this denominator B becomes that side mean numerator. So here A value 2B by 3. So this A value we can substitute here. So B plus 2B divide 3 equal to 90 degree. Let's take LCM here. Here denominator 3. 3 into B 3B. Plus 2B equal to 90 degree. 3B plus 2B we will get 5B divide 3 equal to 90 degree. Now B equal to 90 degree. This 5 by 3 becomes that side mean 3 by 5. Do the cancellation here. 1 5s are 5. 1 5s are 5 remaining here 4. So we will get 40. 8 5s are 40. 18 into 3 we will get 54. So B value 54 degree. This is consider equation 1. So from equation 1 B plus A equal to 90 degree. So 54 degree plus A equal to 90 degree. So A equal to 90 degree. This plus 54 degree becomes that side mean minus 54 degree. Do the subtraction here. We will get A equal to 36 degree. Next we need to find C value. Now this OX standing on the line MN. So angle MOX plus angle XON equal to 180 degree because linear pair of angles. Here angle MOXB and angle XONC. So we can substitute here angle MOXB and angle XONC. So B plus C equal to 180 degree. Already we know that B value 54 degree. So 54 degree plus C equal to 180 degree. This plus 54 becomes that side mean C equal to 180 degree minus 54 degree. Do the subtraction here. We will get 126 degree. So therefore C value 126 degree. That's all for the second question. Now move on to the next one. Question number 3. In figure 6.15, angle PQR equal to angle PRQ. Then prove that angle PQS equal to angle PRT. Here given angle PQR equal to angle PRQ. To prove angle PQS equal to angle PRT. Prove. Here ray PQ standing on the line SR. So angle PQS plus angle PQR equal to 180 degree because linear pair of angles. And here ray PR standing on the line QT. So angle PRT plus angle PRQ equal to 180 degree because linear pair of angles. This is consider equation 1. This is equation 2. From 1 and 2. Here both equation RHS equal. So as well as LHS also equal. Therefore angle PQS plus angle PQR equal to angle PRT plus angle PRQ. Already we know that angle PQR equal to angle PRQ. So angle PQS plus angle PQR equal to angle PRT plus angle PQR, because angle PQR equal to angle PRQ. Angle PQR cancelled here, remaining we will get angle PQS equal to angle PRT. Therefore, hence proved. That's all for the third question. If you have any doubt, comment below. Subscribe my channel for further videos. Thank you so much for watching.